Hey guys, I'm Travis. This is Lambert's YouTube channel. And today I'm going to show you this OBS I bought that is rougher than I thought. Here we go.
You know what I need.
What do you think about this truck?
It's a rough truck, but it can be brought back. Obviously, when you brought it, it wasn't in the best of shape. It is running. And
Hey.
It wasn't running.
I buy nothing but jewels, don't I?
I know.
Yeah.
But it is running, driving now. You just need some stuff for it to get it right. But worth bringing back around.
So I brought this truck to Larkin. See if we can get it running. And it's rough. I'm not gonna deny that. So see it here. My children are in it. Ignore them. They're wild. Yeah. But it looks like they painted it, didn't sand it, and it's been sitting since 15? Oh, yeah, looks like they painted it and didn't sand it. But Larkin has succeeded with making it run. It runs and moves.
Where's the key at? Let me see.
Actually, it sounds pretty decent. And it's got a 95 and up grill in it, but it's not bolted down, so not really sure what to do with this old truck. So what do y'all think I should do with it? Got a work truck bumper on it. And I got a set of sport wheels for it. And it's lowered. It does have a 2.4 lowering kit on it. And a shock loose. You can see the new hangers. It's got new hangers on it. So, we got a little Bondo. So, yeah. Full of stuff. So, and it's got new taillights in it. So it's got some positives, but not many. Decent interior. The dash.
10, 20,
It's not cracked. You all hush.
30,
I'm trying to make a video here. So, there's that. OBS life. So, not really sure what to do with it. Figure y'all like it. So, I have another OBS. It's actually in a little better shape. Let me show it to you. So, seat's a little better shape. Headliner is sagging, but I think I may take two one. So, what do y'all think? Really the worst spot about it is right here. A little damp. But the paint don't look like you painted it with a tractor paint. From Tractor Supply. So we're gonna put this motor. No, we're gonna take this motor out and put the other one in this truck and see what we can do. Alright y'all, that's gonna do it for today's episode. OBS project, be a part 2, part 3, possibly. But let me know what y'all think. If you haven't been here before, thank you for watching. Welcome to the channel. If you have come back, thank you for coming back. Like I said, maybe next time I can show you more of this one, but just ain't ready yet. So, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.